So anybody's guy. Adajo Lanjo Fulani is looking for position, and our DBM, the President, did not give her. And since then, she started fighting her in order to destroy all Dr. Ngozi is doing. My dear, look at the response from the reaction of Pastor Rose. So I pinned the number here for some of you that want to contribute. You can call in and add your own. No, not this one. Okay. All state. Okay, I understand you.
Over 800. So anything on a post paper, they viral. No, I can't let them rest. I must.
This is the reason why it is not good to sympathize somebody that's like somebody that his or her level is down. Don't just over sympathize their people, because God sees in our innermost being and put us in our own different position. Sometimes you try to help somebody and you'll buy a problem for yourself. Tell me this woman's job in the cabinet. Like what is she doing there, if not out of pity? She's not there to contribute anything, but out of pity for her to feel belong, because she showed them passion and determination, readiness and willingness to be in the cabinet, that she loved what is going on, what is to come. They welcomed her as a sister. She joined them contributing nothing. Now, she's the pillar of destruction. Like when we started, I told us that some people are meant to set house ablaze, while others are meant to quench a fire. You cannot bring somebody whose job is to set house ablaze to join a team or group that are devoted to quench fire, if any. She joined out of pity, and by her presence there, she managed to sneak in like a serpent and have been, releasing her venom on everyone and causing problem. She's even proud of it. That's another part of it. She's very, very proud of it. Now, for some of us that said, "Oh no, don't question her. You don't need to question her, drag her to sue her to court, and then, no, don't do that." If you don't do that, they're using her now, or she may be even part of it. To those that are going to present a document and evidence, cook up story against US. They have everything in their hands, and they know what they're doing, and they're working towards that. But USB also have something in their hands as well. But they're trying to show brotherly love and caring. No, it's not yet time to do this. No, it's not yet time to say this. No, it's not yet time to do this. If I name, maybe somebody that hijacked the public money, public fund, living in US. USB government said, no, don't sue. No, we are not going to sue him because it will appear to be a distraction. The people are now working hard on how to eliminate you. You understand? Ada opened her mouth and said that USB is USB terrorist. People who declared Biafra have not questioned her on anything. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Okay. Good evening.
Good evening to you, my sister.
Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
I'm calling from school.
From okay.
Okay.
Go on.